YouTube. We back with another one with the F30 outside. Shit been looking like it's traffic. So you might catch me with some people that's gonna cut up. You might catch me with the people that's gonna really do the do. You know? I've been doing my research and I heard it's gonna be some people outside tonight. We gonna see what's going on.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Run.
No, cause I ain't ball. Don't beg me, cause if I start helping you, then I be wrong. Ain't take it how I took it, I took it on to a heart. That bullet pulled my car, but my gun still under my arm. If you ever kill me fucking with these bitches, it be porn. Get a word on my children, they ain't asked me to be born. Clutch the accurate, I never tell the police, I never tell them where it happened. They never play with me, disappear, I don't care about this. I never know about my problems, never tell them if they ask me. I wake up in the morning and go get it so fast, and my legs still ass, and my head still mad. I wake up in the morning and go get it so fast, then my jaw still bad. Yeah, I gotta make it happen. I know, so talk about the in between the lines. But you know exactly what you need. Still fuck, still get a nigga plump, still tie a nigga up, and put a bitch ass in the trunk. You better not go to jail before I get to you. Can't still get a nigga stuck, put a bitch ass in the bunk, yeah I'm dead. Don't get this shit confusion cause I rap. Took one wrong post, nigga ass to be a head, I don't even care. Spent hundreds of thousands on all these clothes, I don't even wear. Really think I'm put 100 of these thousands on your hair. My bitch got a line and she get shot, but I ain't play. Let them beat and never leave when they swallow, I be out. Still remember it got hard for a nigga, you had there. I don't play, I still put right on a nigga, he get there. He get there. What are you talking about, Draco? Easy money. They tell you straight away, won't tell you they ain't rich. Won't ask you if you good, but they tell you they need help. Baby, I don't like missions, I've been working on myself. That thing I say gon' hit ball. I put real inside my vein like they don't feel all. Pit boy inside the kill, like 7 dollars. Shit, he got lick on dollars. I start going kill them all. I pray I don't kill my dog, but fuck on if he on that side. Yeah, I might stay out in the drive. Put a show and never tell. Why? Cause I got too much problem.
Nice.
For bags, but I ain't never read up. 6 money, tell you nigga paid up. They tell you straight away, won't tell you they ain't rich. Won't ask you if you good, but they tell you they need help. Baby, I don't like the bitch, cause I've been working on myself, bitch. Standing on my paper, trying to buy like in that family. If I'm ever walking, baby, make sure that you tell me. I don't know, cause I need no one to heal me. I want this shit out of my own, no one you hear me. I want to know what I feel, I need to be selfish. Be feeling like the realest nigga ever made a song. I don't trust for nothing, wherever I'm at, where I belong. Put a bad bitch in a cat, I just pray they get along. We get chased, you know she said me, I'm still be sure we make it home. Make sure we're grown and make it grown. Don't trust security with my niggas, like no OG in my city. Live like me, it's hard to get advice. I be tired once I fuck a bitch, I only hit it twice. She grab a stick, I take a bro to dick, she ready to get his stripes. Know we gotta earn that, step in the street, can't turn back. Stood on what I did when got my kick and take the sperm back. A man will never compromise his morals, but I learned that God stand for something, so I told him why I'm firm firm at. Trying to duck the fast still, I'm high off for these mans still. Risk my life for this shit, I'm still living, but I blast still. Gave this shit my all, I felt like I was on a treadmill. Crying back my little brother to go to trial, we planned still. Too deep in the street, feel like this beef shit'll never stop. Lord knows that I'ma sell my soul before I sell his Glock. Spinning, then it's pick your man up, that's what we tell his block. Put a green. That shit a fucking rocket. Yo.